Hey everyone, Sean here from SwiftPoint, and in this video I'll be showing you how to customize a pre-configured profile within the X1 control panel and also how to build your own profile from scratch. So let's jump into it. First of all, let's learn how to customize a pre-configured profile. Simply click on the icon that you wish to customize, and when it is selected, it will be highlighted and the text will become bold. So for example, I'm going to come over and click on the iMovie profile, and as you can see, the text is now highlighted and bolded, and there is a highlighted square around that app icon. And when you have selected the profile that you wish to customize, you will see that all of the button gestures and mappings will change on your screen just like this. Once you have selected the profile that you wish to edit, you will see all of the button names and the current actions that are mapped to the particular buttons of your mouse. And you'll also be able to see, as I'm highlighting here with my cursor, which buttons have deep click involved. So we've got deep click on the middle wheel, and also we've got deep click on the fingertip buttons. Now with the Z has more deep click buttons. So we've got middle click, both of the fingertips and the left and right click, but with Tracer and Creator, you only have deep click on the left click button and the left fingertip button. So there are two ways to assign new actions to a button on your Z, Tracer or Creator mouse. The most common way of doing that is to simply select the button that you wish to customize. So for this example, I'm going to come into the left click button and click on left click. And once you have selected the button that you wish to customize, you will be welcomed by this screen here that shows you, of course, highlighted which button that you have selected, the name of that button, left button, and what action it is assigned to. So left click, and also if you're able to, add a deep click option as well. So there are two ways to assign new actions to the buttons on your Z, Tracer or Creator mouse. Now simply we can come in and just use the drop down menu here and spend a little bit of time flicking through each one of the action libraries that we have pre-installed and pre-configured for the Z, Tracer and Creator mice. Or the second option is to speed the process up by clicking on the drop down menu and simply type in what action we would like to assign to the particular button. So copy or paste to one of the buttons. So to show you how the typing action helps to speed up the process, I've jumped into another profile and I'm going to select my left fingertip button here, click on the drop down menu and reassign this to copy. So I'm going to type in copy, select copy and click save, and that is all done. I have reassigned my left fingertip button to be the copy action. If for some reason you cannot find the action that you are looking for within the vast action library that comes pre-configured with your Z, Tracer or Creator mouse, we can come over here and click on the keyboard icon so that we can record a custom keyboard command. So to do this, simply click the small keyboard icon to the right of the current action. The current prompt will disappear and will be replaced by a prompt that says press key or shortcut. Now we are ready to punch in the command or action that we want to map to this particular button. So for this example, I'm on a Mac and I am going to punch in Command R for reload. As soon as you release the custom keyboard command, the recording will end and the command or action will be added to that button. But as always, remember to hit the save button. And after creating a custom shortcut, you can rename it by clicking the edit icon that appears when hovering over the text. So as you can see here, we hover over the text and we are welcomed by the little edit button. So we're going to click on the edit button and rename this to reload. Hit rename, click save, and we're going to jump back out. And as you can see, it just makes it look nice and tidy when you're in the main panel of the X1 control panel. And that is how you customize a profile button mapping within the X1 control panel.